Since we have just downloaded the weights as it was downloading before, so I have the weights, the three files that gets downloaded to your machine. So what you have to do is basically clone the repository, which I'll be linking here. Um, so essentially it's so this is a repository that you can go to, and actually I forked this from another repository, I think, who probably spent a lot of work in creating this whole repo. Just add my new code, like for example, I created one um, small utility to um, convert the video into frames. So it's very simple one. Like you can also Google it out. You'll find some similar code. But this one actually gets all the files from a given directory. Hopefully you have all the videos there, and then it generates the frames from those videos. That's what that does. But anyway, so once you're here, you can go to you can either do it through your editor if you have one, or if you want to. Now we're in the mode of testing the model that we just built. So before you do that, you have to copy these weights that you just downloaded into this project weights. So you copy the model.weights um, into this one. So you have to name it as YOLO3.weights. So that means you have to delete the previous one before you do that. So we move this to trash. You just change this thing to YOLO with 3.weights. Okay. I've saved the original just in case it's a better good practice to save some of the default options. So that's my underscore O is for that. You can also do it likewise. Copy the model config, which is in config folder. Actually, you don't need to do. So let's open this. Yeah, so you just need to copy this file into as YOLO3.config. So I'm copying, sorry, I think it got copied into model.cfg. So I'm going to move this into a CFG folder. In this one, I'm going to rename. I have the original one YOLO v3 CFG. So I'm going to delete this previous version, and I'm going to rename the version that I just copied here. So essentially why we are doing all this is because the code that is written or was inherited pretty much points to these configuration files or the weights files that are there. And the other thing that we have to do is for whatever um, that we have trained the different classes like Biscuit and Misha. So you basically have to take these values and update your your Coco list names, so which will be in um, the data folder. So in the data folder, you can copy this as a copy of it, or following my convention of coco.names underscore o. So this one, the original one includes the default 80 classes that was trained. I guess it's from ImageNet, based on ImageNet weights. So we're going to remove all this, and we're going to include the ones that we just saw it in our configuration file, which is in the config.json. The config.json, go towards the end, biscuit and Misha. Just copy this into your Coco names. Biscuit, Misha, that's it. Okay. So we're done with the configuration. Now all we do is the testing. So the way that we do the testing is by giving a specific video, or you can do live cam also. So if you look at the files in this one, so there is a video demo.py, there is a cam demo.py. Like this is, it will switch on your whatever device in which you're running it on, that particular camera. In my case it's Mac. So I'm going to show it through a video demo. You can also do, if my dogs are around, I would have shown you probably through the cam, but let's do the video demo now.